Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. Then another great enlightening being in the assembly, named Universal Light of the Lamp of Wisdom, empowered by the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, "All the Buddhas are beyond all forms. Who can understand this truth sees the guide of the world. Enlightening beings in meditation, the light of wisdom illumining all, can know the independent essence of all the Buddhas. Seeing the Buddha's real body, they awake to the profound truth. Observing everywhere the cosmos, they assume bodies at will. Born from the sea of blessings, abiding in the stage of wisdom, they investigate all things and cultivate the supreme path. In all Buddha lands, where all Buddhas are, thus throughout the cosmos, they see the real true body. In immense lands in all quarters, for billions of eons diligently practicing, they are able to roam in true knowledge of the sea of all phenomena. There is only one indestructible, immanent body seen in all particles. Unborn, signless, it's manifest in all lands. According to the mentalities of beings, it appears everywhere before them. Showing various means of training, it turns them to the Buddha way. By the spiritual power of the Buddha are enlightening beings born. Sustained by the strength of the Buddha, they see all enlightened ones. All the guides, with boundless spiritual powers, awaken enlightening beings throughout the entire cosmos. Then there was another great enlightening being in the assembly, named Flower Flame Topknot with universally illumining knowledge, who, empowered by the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, "In all lands, uttering subtle sounds, extolling Buddha's virtues, the cosmos is all filled. Buddha has reality for his body, pure as space itself. All the physical forms that appear he includes in this reality. If anyone has deep faith and joy and is accepted by the Buddhas, know that such a person can engender knowledge comprehending Buddha. Those with little knowledge cannot know these truths. Those whose wisdom eye is pure alone are able to see. By the Buddha's power they examine all phenomena. As they enter, abide and leave."